Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Muhammad Hassan and today we are going to explore one more perfume from Areej Le Dore, and that is Ambre de Coco. Okay, so as its name suggests that this is going to have a lot of chocolate or cocoa powder in it. So let's see and explore what this actually has. So I'm going to do it like this so it can easily focus on it. So let's read first. I really love how they have included this list of everything in it. So intense Indian attar known as Amber Shamama, transformed into a modern sophisticated spicy sandal and oud chypre perfume composition. So top notes they have peach accord, cocoa absolute, 50 various Indian spices and herbs distilled in a base of pure Indian sandalwood, that is the heart note. Base notes are touch of ambergris, Indian oud, oak moss and amber accord. So that has been in this complex perfume. Now let's spray it and I will share with you my thoughts on this one. So let's spray it. This is the start is really nice. It is like florals dancing together with some oud and amber in it. It is kind of chocolatey. A cocoa is at the background. It is like, if I would say that, sparkling cocoa. So it is just like something is shining in like stars in the air. Indian oud is there in the background, but it is very less in the background. It is I would say it is very good interpretation of Shamama. DNA is there. Herbs and spices are there. It is more kind of leaning towards cocoa and gourmandish kind of perfume. Sweet, ambre, cocoa with some sandal in the background. I would say Indian oud is there, but it doesn't have much funk over here because other things are overpowering it over here. So if I would say that how I would describe this scent, if you visit any shrine or any shrine in Pakistan or India of any saint, so in English we call them saint and in our language we call them wali. Wali means the friend of God. Wali Allah, friend of God or friend of Allah. So you normally get scents from different shrines. This is almost like 70 to 80% of the scent you get from those shrines. So there is a lot of things burning over there. They are burning different incense sticks and all that stuff. So this is kind of that scent or that kind of, yes. Very nice. If you dig deep into it, it has a very nice herbal and floral kind of essence to it. It is more of a gourmand kind of amber, sandalwood, some herbs and spices. It is not very warm. Although it is warm, I would not suggest it to wear it in the summer, hot summer, but I think it is very overpowering. I think it is one of the most powerful from this whole really nice. If you like the smell of those shrines, this is the perfume for you. Ambre de Coco from Areej Le Dore. Really nicely done. I think it is one of the most powerful after Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and the Beast is very powerful too, and this one too, Ambre de Coco. So Ambre de Coco, it has more of a vibe of a shrine incense to me. sweet shrine incense. It is not airy or kind of smoky. It is kind of gourmand, herbal. There is some Hindi oud in the background, sandalwood, very kind of gourmand, kind of sparkling cocoa. And now the chocolate or cocoa is gone, almost gone. Now it is just a blend of Hindi oud with some spices and herbs in the background. Really, really nicely done, Areej Le Dore. A bit challenging for me. I don't like this scent because I have smelled it many times on different shrines, and so it is not a buy for me. But if you like these kind of scents, I would really suggest that you try this one. So this is my review about Ambre de Coco from Areej Le Dore. I hope and I would see you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.